it all the way up there on your own like a big boy? Okay.
Hang on. Big boy.
Mister, look at you, big boy.
Ruh-roh, yeah.
Look at you, big boy. Do you need some water? There's your papa.
What you doing there, kid?
Say, Papa, I've been out playing with my tractor.
Moving rocks.
Yeah.
You been moving rocks? Did you water my tomatoes for me?
Ruh-roh.
Ruh-roh.
Did you water my tomatoes for me?
Ruh-roh. Evidently not.
Apparently he needs to go do that. Oh, and he knows exactly how to do it. Leighton, you're so smart.
Everything is a new discovery.
You know how to water the tomatoes, don't you? Take it to Papa.
You gonna give it to Papa? Give it to Papa. Yeah, Papa.
See, there you go, Papa. Go water your tomatoes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Busy Man.